Hello, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. My name is Spirit from Bedroom Plus TV, and right now the show is Bedroom Plus Show. Thank you so much for joining us on today's program, guys. We love you so much. Okay, guys, before we continue today's program, please let's go on the commercial break. We'll be right back. Welcome back to the show, guys. On today's episode, guys, we're bringing you a lot of goodies. We have entertainment just for you. We have celebrity news, award and event presentation. Guys, just stay tuned while we bring you all the goodies. Okay, firstly, we are going to say congratulations to Fino on the birth of his bouncing baby boy. We wish him all the goodness and happiness in life. We wish him to grow up to become bouncing and start just like his father. Congratulations to you, Fino, once again.
Few weeks after the birth of Fino's bouncing baby boy, he has also acquired 20 new housing units in Lagos, guys. This is called double blessings. Now, this is actually called multiple blessings. We are saying a congratulations to Fino, more grace to your helper, more blessings to come, more good things to come. Thank you for making the entertainment industry proud.
Congratulations to your family as well. Okay, guys, I'm sure we all know who Bolanle Nolu is actually a Nollywood actor. He acts both Yoruba and English movies, and we all know how lovey-dovey himself, his wife, and his kid gets. But it's just it's a sort of surprise when we are getting to hear that he actually divorced his wife, because wow, I've seen a lot of videos of himself and his wife and his daughter. Of them jogging on the streets, playing lovey-dovey, all cozied up and loved up, and then all of a sudden we are just getting to know that they are getting divorced. Man, he actually came up to talk about it himself, and he has endorsed it that truly he has divorced his wife. And the information getting to us was that Nolu actually cheated on his wife. Well, we weren't there when the cheating was done or who we cheated with, and we cannot give you that full information. But the only thing we can tell you right now is Nolu has divorced his wife based on cheating. Stephanie. Okay, guys, thank you so much for listening. We love you. Do not forget to like this video, please click on that subscription button, share this video. We love you. Follow our page. Thank you so much for every day. Thank you for every time. Let's go on the commercial break. We'll be right back.
My name is Young Prince Voltage. I'm a comedian and also a fashion designer, and I came to support the birthday celebrant, Honorable Edide. I was trying to use what the gift the Lord has put in me to put laughter in people's face, because in this country I think 70% are depressed because of the economic.
So country is hard. So you want to make us laugh?
I don't want to say hard. Let me not put it hard, because to get better one day, just want to put smile on people's face with laughter.
We are celebrating my husband's birthday and to coronate him as the Edide Matapa one of Akwa Ibom. Oh wow!
I'm here to celebrate with the celebrant is my son in the Lord, Udwak, and so I'm coming to join him and celebrate. I did Atakpa 1. You will see a lot of cultural dance from Akwa Ibom and all kind of entertainment. You are going to see already. You have seen some of them there. In the next few seconds, they are going to start dancing and celebrating alongside with the celebrants.
We will do exactly what he did. Take the attitude of a student. A leader learn every day. A leader learn every day. You learn from the people you are controlling or leading. They are not non-entity. They have wisdom. Some of them are no wiser than you. Some of them are better than you academically. But yet you are to submit yourself and then learn from them.
I welcome all to this momentous occasion, inauguration ceremony of our sons and daughters in Oshodi, in Solo. Let us see our people's problems, aspirations, and struggles as our own. Let us love ourselves with true love. Remember, together we stand, divided we fall.
So, I and my Lord, we open this kola with the sum of 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira, how do you all see? Our in-law also the other and grant the kola with the sum of 5,000 naira. How do you all see? God blessings. And also, I am.
No, this is Nigeria. Nigeria is the only country where person will give you advice wey no dey use. I will tell you, Lagos to this Lagos, if you dey Lagos, you no fit make money. You go out because you make any year, and they come this afternoon as I dey drive. One boy just carry, I think na new bottle water he dey sell. I know say na that poison wey be liquid. I never seen am before. Now as the guy, which kind of poison be this? He say, he dey kill that well. But I say na water e be na, he say na e dey work fast. Now as the guy, how go take use am? He say, very easy. Step 1, catch the rat. Step 2, give am 3 spoon in the morning and 3 in the night. I say if you no come die, he say find something kill am, something must kill a man. Lagos is all about packaging. This is the only state I've seen 3-story building. The up na church, the middle na school, the down na hotel. This is the only state you see somebody dey run. You no know wetin dey pursue and you follow. This is the only state where you dey wan rent house, agent and commission go there pass your house rent. My friend go rent one room for Bamboo, 300,000. Agent and commission 260. In one room 40,000. My brother, make money. When you have money, your monthly money will be renewed every morning. Now when you don't get money, your wife will call you small name. Your wife will just see you, honey, because your money no long. Get money, your wife will call you my destiny. Your wife will call you honey, the sweet. How much be original honey? 1.5. The one with sugar cane, 800. Right, because you sugar up and down, follow down your kitchen with your happy sugar. How much be sugar? Packet, 800. The one wey man and the sky, 15 euro. Get money, your wife call you my destiny, my kidney, my life. You know what I mean? Let me tell you, women are like agriculture. If you no marry the one wey you spoil, you go marry the one wey another man spoil. Then they call crop rotation. Mama God go bless you. Wetin man no fit do, that woman do so. There are some women that are boss lady. God go bless you. The pikin wey you go born go fine like me. I think that's right. One girl wey marry rich man for my compound, na cook egusi soup yesterday. The fish wey she put dey alive. The man say my wife go and cook bitter leaf soup for me. Person wey dey pray for rich man go use one. She go use washing machine wash bitter leaf soup.
Everybody, my name is Praise on Pedu Plus TV, and guys, we are live at Okota Police Station for the coronation of Edide Matakpa of Akwa Ibom in Lagos State Chapter. Guys, as you can see that this is some cultural display by the Ekpo masquerades and other cultural activities that is going on. Guys, you see that it is going down here, guys. As you can see, we are having so much fun here. Good afternoon, sir. Please tell us your name.
Yeah, my name is Chairman Basibok from Akwa Ibom State.
Okay, sir, please can you tell us, for the sake of those that are not here, what are we doing here exactly today?
Yeah, today is the day I'm going to do coronation to give us the title. Like person like me, some call it chief title, Abong Parawa and Abong Edidem in Akwa Ibom State community in Lagos State. And the man that is the host of today is a king and is a nice man to us. When worldwide in Nigeria knows and Akwa Ibom people knows him. Because he's a talk-through man, he's a man when he say yes, he cannot go back to say no for it. Because the man is very good to us. That's why we choose him to be the Edidem one of Oshodi Solo in Lagos State.
Ballet of Aqua Cross in Lagos State.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about what we are doing here today?
Yeah, we have our very illustrious son by name Edidem Atakpa, who is having a coronation of His Royal Highness title today, and at the same time with his birthday in celebration, birthday celebration.
That's why I was growing up in Lagos here, and I'm somehow happy to be in this correlation. Reason, there are some traditional things which I've not really experienced growing up in a traditional way, but I'm happy that today I am here to see one or two things about my own tradition, because I am not used to my own tradition. Reason is because I am married to an Igbo person.
Yes, this is the introduction of Oman. You will not be a leader in sickness. You will Oman, this is Medupe. Edidem Atakpa. What? We are very proud of you. President. Yes, sir.
It's not right, so I think we'll just do this way. We honor you with this congratulations. So we just say yes, no,
This is grand joy. I'm not in love with people. I want this to just presentation. A lot of excellence.
If there's any other award to present, please bring it in here.
And I want to tell my people
right now.
We are together. I think this award is for all of us. Let us try our best and make their Bible minds happy. Thank you very much, sales gladiators. God bless you all.
My name is Colonel Dofia. I'm actually the president of CMC Gladiators of the Pitch, and of course, the chief coordinator of this event. You can see the cultural dance. Ekpo dance has come out. The cultural dance has come out. And of course, all the gladiators are here. It's about celebrating our culture, our arts, our people, and of course, today is a day that all of us from CMC, from Bedu Plus TV, has come to celebrate our own.
A birthday shout out to Sugar Larry Ojetunde of New 80s Band International. This birthday shout out is coming from Shegun Skylark. He wishes you a happy birthday in good health, in wealth, in goodness, many more years to come, long life and prosperity. Happy birthday to you once again, Sugar Larry.
Welcome back to the show, guys. The show is still Bedu Plus Show, and I am still your number one PRAISE praise. Thank you so much for watching our show. Thank you for your subscriptions, for your love, for your follows. We love you guys. If you're having any events that you want us to cover for you, be it a wedding, an anniversary, a music concert, whatever that you want to cover, you can reach us on any of our social media handles displaying on the screen right now. Send us a DM. I will get back to you as soon as possible. This is Bedu Plus Show, guys, and we'll be right there for you. Thank you so much for joining today's program.